Well, good morning, everyone. I mean, it's not morning anymore, but it's noon. We have to be at the park soon. We have a 5 o'clock dinner reservation, so we gotta get bopping. We're going to Animal Kingdom, so we're gonna see all the animals. I actually didn't give you guys a quick view of the room, but it's a little messy, but I can give you guys a little run through. Say hi to Rachel.
Wear your masks. Mask up.
It's a little dirty, but we got my vlog uploading here. We got a minute left. It's actually really cool with the golf course and everything back here. Really cool view. But on our way to the park now, so we gotta get on the road, see the animals, and enjoy the day. So we're waiting for the bus. It actually is a cool spot. It looks just like the Keys. As you know, we've been to the Keys, and we're getting on the bus now, drinking my Monster, having a good day so far.
I'm Rachel, and I'm Dugan's favorite David sister.
And I'm Jacob Marshall. Here's the weather forecast.
So we're here in Pandora at Walt Disney's Animal Kingdom. And we're gonna go and ride some really fun rides today. Like
Flight of Passage.
And
Expedition Everest.
And
Navi River Run.
And one more.
It's tough to be a bug.
I was thinking the safari.
Nope.
But there we get to see okapis, and if we go over to my dad's favorite little jungle tour, we get to see some naked mole rats. What do you think about that, Jacob?
Sounds
ooh, naked mole rats.
What's up, guys? So we just got back from Panera. The restaurant had some good lunch. I got a little food vlog for you guys. Now we are going to the safari, check out all the animals, give you a little preview of the river they got going on here. It's a really kind of cool spot. But other than that, it's really unique. I mean, it's from Africa, so obviously you got the Lion King right there. Most of these places are kind of shut down, but you know, you can't do much about it because of COVID season. So other than that, we're just gonna hang out. Oh, so other than that, we're just gonna hang out. It's like 80 degrees here, so it's absolutely a fabulous day. I'm actually sweating. I'm getting hot. Way better than Chicago and Boston weather, but yes, we're gonna go enjoy the safari, and then we have one of my favorite rides in the park, Pandora. So I'll give you a little preview when we get there, but we have like a 2-hour wait. So I'll see you guys when we get to the safari. What's up, guys? So we just finished with the safari. We are going to one of my favorite rides, the Pandora. It is an absolutely amazing ride. It feels like you're low-key skydiving from the sky with all the animals and everything. I would record it for you guys, but don't want to do that and ruin the experience. But yeah, we're gonna see what's up with the rest of the park. I mean, give you an example, it's pretty packed, very packed. Everything is mobbed right now. But yeah, I mean, I'll check in with you guys when we are done with the ride and see what's popping after that. So we just did the dinosaur ride. Not my favorite. I get scared, sadly. Brittany loves it though. We have dinner reservations soon, and then we have to. Well, we want to go to Mount Everest ride, so we have dinner reservations. So we're gonna rush to do the Everest ride and then go to dinner. They're rushing over here on a mission. We are now on a mission, but I will check back when we have to go to dinner because we're sprinting now to go to our ride because we're gonna be late for dinner. So I'll check back in when we do a food vlog.
Real, you might gotta do. You pop out of it, you gotta right, gotta it. Go, come on, you might still call. That's the kind of dude I was looking for. MICKYMOUSE.
So we just got to Disney Springs. We are going to Paddle Boat.
Paddle boat. We've never been there before. Oh my goodness.
Paddle Boat is located on this big old like rowboat. It's mostly seafood. I was gonna get crab legs, but too expensive apparently. $70 for three crab legs. Wow, that's ridiculous. But here is Rachel being Rachel.
Hey!
And Jake up over there. Jake
Also.
the Giant. We got some good shots right here. Some nice Ron John. You know what it is. And then we got some nice architecture right here. Oh, look at this guy. This guy's, whoa. This guy is a giant, bigger than Jake the Giant. But this guy is a giant, holy giant. But anyways, we're going to paddle fish, sorry. And I'll check in with you guys when we get the food vlog poppin'. Let's go.
I'm gonna go to the restroom.
What's up, guys? So we just got done with dinner. I had a linguine pasta with some crab broth and tomatoes and whatever else was in there, but it was really good. Shrimp. Honestly, all three of us, besides Jake, had it. But we're going to Lulu now to check out the bougie stuff because we're bougie like that. Shout out to Jake for that one. We'll check in to see what we're doing next time. So we just got back from Disney Springs, took a little shopping spree at Lulu. Boop. And now we're rushing back because we gotta go watch the Vols basketball team go destroy, absolutely kill Missouri. You gotta tune into, I don't know, ESPN, whatever it is, but definitely watch the game. Comes on in like 10 minutes. But yeah, we're gonna end it here and go Vols. See you guys tomorrow.